Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make nacho sauce using mayonnaise. This simple method creates an incredibly creamy and flavorful sauce perfect for your next snack. Mayonnaise provides a fantastic, smooth base, making the process much easier than traditional cheese sauces. You will need just a few core ingredients to get started, ensuring a delicious result every time. It is a quick and satisfying way to elevate your nacho experience. The key to a perfect, smooth sauce is gentle heat. Combine your mayonnaise and shredded cheese in a saucepan over low heat, stirring constantly. This prevents the mayonnaise from breaking and ensures the cheese melts into a velvety consistency. Once melted, stir in your chosen spices, such as a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin, and a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, to infuse deep, savory flavors throughout the sauce. Now, let's talk about making this sauce uniquely yours. If the sauce is too thick, simply add 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk or cream until it reaches your desired consistency. Feel free to experiment with other cheeses, like a smoky Gouda or a tangy Monterey Jack, to alter the flavor profile. For those who love a bit of heat, stir in a few dashes of your favorite hot sauce or some finely diced jalapenos for an extra kick. Once your delicious nacho sauce is ready, serve it warm over a generous pile of crispy tortilla chips. For an extra touch, consider garnishing with fresh cilantro, finely diced red onion, or sliced green onions. This sauce is also fantastic over loaded fries or even as a dip for pretzels. If you have any leftovers, simply transfer them to an airtight container and refrigerate for up to 3 days, reheating gently when ready to enjoy again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.